Hello again everybody, this is Dave Grime from the Grime team, and do I have a spectacular property to show you today. Welcome to 513486 Second Line Amaranth. This custom built home is truly one of a kind. So let's get right down to the top 5 reasons why this house is right for you. Reason number 5 is the lot, the landscaping, and the curb appeal. Not only is 513486 Second Line minutes from Orangeville, it's set well back from the road on 10 acres for the utmost privacy. The moment you drive up to this custom home, you'll notice the curb appeal and landscaping are absolutely stunning. Mature trees, perennial gardens, berms, and grassy areas for outdoor sports were carefully planned in this landscape plan to make most of the acreage around the house. Amazing landscape rockery and natural stone steps lead down to the walkout basement. A gorgeous flagstone walkway greets any guest arriving at this fine home. Now there's plenty of parking by the 2-car garage, but the driveway also goes behind these trees, which leads me to reason number 4. Reason number 4 is an 1,000 square foot shop. Now, for country living, I think an outbuilding is a must. This 1,000 square foot shop would be perfect storage for cars, machinery, could be a great wood shop or storage for any contractor. The shop comes complete with a 9 by 10 foot front door and a 16 by 10 foot back door. And the ceiling height is plenty adequate for a hoist. Also behind the shop is plenty of more outdoor storage. Now we could spend all day showcasing the outside features, but let's go inside and take a look. Reason number 3 is a stunning custom home. Now, architecturally designed homes are truly one of a kind, and this West Coast inspired custom home boasts a well thought out layout and awe-inspiring features. The open concept main level combines rustic charm and modern flair and is perfect for entertaining. The great room with an amazing stone fireplace and a soaring 17-foot ceiling with bright upper windows is open to the sunny dining area and a dream kitchen, perfect for any gourmet chef. And the massive mudroom off the 2-car garage is super convenient and well thought out, with cubbies for each kid. The bright main level has multiple walkouts to the amazing deck overlooking the backyard for summer dining and entertaining. 2 spacious bedrooms with built-in desks, the main 4-piece bathroom, main floor laundry, and a 2-piece powder room complete the main level. Downstairs boasts a large rec room with hardwood floors, a great 3-piece bathroom, and 2 additional bedrooms or offices. It also walks out to the private stone patio. Now, I haven't mentioned the master bedroom, but we'll get to that later. And reason number 2 are the modern systems and upgrades. Now, this 5-year-old custom home has many spectacular features and modern conveniences. In-floor heating in the lower level provides warm ambient heat in the winter along with the airtight wood stove. The custom open staircases with glass railings add to the airy feeling of each level. Other great features are Asian walnut hardwood flooring and stylish stone tile, the custom stone fireplace, elegant lighting, and fabulous bathrooms. The metal roof offers decades of worry-free living, and the high-efficiency furnace and heat pump, tankless hot water tank, and HRV system are all modern and top of the line. Now let's get down to reason number 1. And reason number 1 is the master bedroom retreat. Now, the whole upper level of this spectacular home is the master bedroom. Away from the rest of the house is the perfect getaway at the end of the day. The spacious master boasts hardwood flooring, an amazing walk-in closet, and its own modern 4-piece ensuite with exquisite finishes. The private master oasis was an excellent feature that went into planning this custom home. Well, we could be another 20 minutes showcasing this house, but you're going to have to come and check it out for yourself. For more pictures and information, please visit www.513486second.com or give our office a call to book your personal tour. Anyways, thanks for watching, and until next time, Dave Grime, signing off.